You searched how to buy shares of European Opportunities Trust, an investment trust focused on European equities that is listed on LSE plc under the ticker EOT.L. This short guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy EOT.L, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker EOT.L to find the correct listing. Check the result shows European Opportunities Trust on LSE, so you select the proper stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name, ticker EOT.L, and the exchange to ensure it is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit order, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For the example link to eToro, see the description below.